I'm going with this brush from Huda Beauty. I love this brush so much, and Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade 128 because I want a pretty even base. So I'm going to put foundation all over my face. I'm going to blend everything. Turkish Delight makeup or Turkan Shorai. I think I'm saying it right, I think. But you know, it looks a little complicated because of the eyeliner, but I swear to God, it's so easy to do and it's so pretty. I need concealer of L'Oreal Infallible, the 328 and 327. We want a perfect skin, like just cover every imperfection that we have. And I asked you the other day to recommend me mascaras, and you recommend me a lot. I have to go to the store to see which one I'm going to try next out of all the ones that you recommend me. But I also want you to recommend me concealers because I like this. I like the L'Oreal Infallible. I like it. But I think it's too thick for me. Too thick. Especially for summer. Now that summer is coming up, it's getting hot where I live. I don't feel like this is going to be my companion for summer. So if you know any good coverage but a little bit more lightweight concealers, I would love to hear your recommendations. I'm blending this with the finger because I like the result. I'm applying the concealer the rest of my eyelid. I want cheekbones because she has such strong cheekbones that I want like, oh. So I'm using this She Glam Sunsculpt Liquid Contour in the shade Stone. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the you know, the shadow. I don't know how you call this. I don't even know how you call this in Spanish. But I follow the shadow and then I go shoop. Now we blend with a sponge. Try to blend it going downwards, not upwards. And now if this is too strong for you, if you look at like this and you're like, I don't like this, just go with the foundation brush and go a little bit over. Now blush. She uses blush. She's a blush queen. I'm going to mix these two new Huda Beauty blushes. They're so pretty. Just the package. I just want to eat this. Like it looks like it's gummy. So this is the shade Bubblegum and this is Intense Guava. I'm going to use a lot of bubblegum. Focus it here. And now I'm going to take the Guava, Intense Guava, and put the tiniest bit. Because the other day I tried it. Señora, I look like Heidi. The tiniest bit. Here. And I think I put too much. With the same brush. We focus on the cheeks. Oh, put too much. Oh no, it looks good. On camera, it looks good. In real life, it looks a little bit intense, but that's fine. Lately, I've been doing this, and I've been liking it. I'm going to take Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Pound Cake. Like smaller, fluffy brush. I make sure that everything is blended, and I go with the fluffy brush and the powder. I want to maintain this because her skin looks really natural and doesn't look matte, but I still want to set because I have to, just the center of my face. I'm going to use the tiniest bit of bronzer. This is from Belle. Just the tiniest bit on my cheekbones, just a little bit. And for more blush, I'm going to use this one from Flower Nose. This is the Strawberry Rococo series embossed blush in the shade Romantic Blossom. All Flower Nose products, they're so pretty, okay? Like, look at this. So pretty. But the names, they're so long. You want to take it? And applied it where I applied the cream blush. Flower Nose, this is so beautiful. Like, oh my god. It looks like heaven. This is the Little Angel Collection Embossed Highlighter in the shade Paradise Lost. It's so pretty. It's a little angel. Look at this. It's a little angel. I'm so sad because I already erased the face of the angel. A little tiny bit on my nose and on the higher part of my cheekbone. For eyebrows, she has strong arch eyebrows. My eyebrows are not that arch and they're not that strong, so I'm going to use 2 eyebrow pencils. This is something for She Glam. This is 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil something. It's so erased, like it doesn't have a name anywhere. And then this Revolution Blade Brow in the shade Granite, because I love these, but I like this shade better. So I'm going to do a mix of them. You see the difference? Like, it's a lot. We really don't need eyeshadow for this look, but if you want to use one, try to use one close to your skin tone, but on the cooler side. Just put it all over my eyelid, just as a base. Now with an eyeliner, this is from Flower Nose as well. We're going to do a small wing. And we want it to be thicker on this side and thinner on the inner part. Okay, now the most difficult part in my opinion. Now, that is complicated. You follow the line of your lower lashes, okay? And once you start to go to the end of the eye, you separate the eyeliner a little bit. Like this. On the inner corner, you go lower. Like this, see? Lower, really close, and lower. I did it a little too Egypt tea, in my opinion, but I will try to do the other eye better. This eye is more similar. It's this eye. You have to focus on this eye, okay? Because this one is just too different. See, we all make mistakes. Look on the waterline with a white eyeliner. Then on this empty part as well. Now for this look, we need lashes. So lashes and a lot of mascara. These are Demi Wispies by Ardell. Now we use a lot of mascara. Maybe the eyelashes are too much. I don't know. And mascara on our bottom lashes. Just a lot. Is it too much, the eyelashes? Because, I mean, if I look like this, no. Let me finish the look. Go with lips, and I'm going to use this Catrice Plumping Lip Liner in the shade 50. And I think this is the perfect shade for this look. Because it's not too pink, it's not too orange, it's not too brown. It's just perfect. Then I'm going with this Flower Nose lipstick. This is the Little Angel Collection matte lipstick in the shade Radiant Seraph. I'm going a little bit, just tapping. You know, with the hair, the lipstick, I don't think the eyelashes are too much. This is my interpretation of Turkish Delight makeup or Turkan Shorai makeup. It's a really easy makeup if you just learn how to do the eyeliner. It's just so quick. The eyelashes, I think I could have used another pair, but this is what I have. If there's any other makeup you would like to see from me, please let me know. And if you recreate this, please send it to me because I always love to see how you replicate all the makeups that I do. Muchas gracias, niña. See you!